Hello Pisces, this is B and I'm going to do your weekly forecast for June 28 to July 5. Bear in mind that this is a general reading and may not resonate with everyone, but take what resonates and leave the rest, okay? So if you need a personal reading, my information is in the description box. You can reach out to me or follow me at my FB page, Facebook page, Tarot by Miss B. Also, the energies are interchangeable, which means I may be picking up on your energy or the energy of the people around you, the situation around you, okay? And if you are happy with my reading, please like, share, subscribe to my channel and help me grow this channel. To my Aquarius friends, and this is for the Aquarius. To my Aquarius friends, that, oh no, Pisces, I'm sorry. To my Pisces friends who have been with me from the very beginning, thank you very much. You know who you are. I appreciate you. So let's start the reading for Pisces universe. This is for Pisces. Okay, the underlying energy is the Ace of Pentacles, Queen of Cups, and the Nine of Cups. I feel there's an offer that was presented to you, a start of something that you find very interesting, that you have emotionally invested on. You receive this Ace of Pentacle, this new beginning. You receive this and you have been happy. You are uh, parang wish, this is a wish card. This is a happiness for yourself, fulfilling your heart's desire. Okay, but this is for yourself, not necessarily shared to other people. Okay, so right now, your situation is the Three of Pentacles. So the Three of Pentacles is trying to rebuild, or sorry, trying to collaborate with people or with a person. This could also be referring to a third party situation. Okay, third party doesn't always mean a another person, or parang hindi palaging cheating ang third party. This could be a job, This could be a friend, a hobby, parang let's say, yung mga, ano yun, yung mga laro-laro, mga games, video games. That could be a third party. Or this could be you building a foundation, and I feel rebuilding because the theme is the tower. So something has been destroyed. Something na mahina na yung pundasyon, yung kinakatayuan ng tower. So when yung divine intervention, yung this is parang sinasabi ng universe na ano na to, puro crack na yung tower, kailangan na tong magiba para ma-rebuild ulit yung foundation. I feel that's because this is the theme is the tower. The theme is about destruction. Something in your life has been destroyed, and now you are trying to rebuild that. Okay, in the past, you walked away from things, from the cups that made you happy. Parang you let go of the cups that used to make you happy, or someone did this to you. This is something that you already know. The lesson here I feel is because this is the King of Pentacles. The lesson here I feel is realizing the value. You know the value of that pentacle, that gold coin that you are holding, you know that. You have stability. You have given generously to this situation in the past. You have invested, and in a way, you will not keep on investing on this situation if you are not happy with the outcome. So in a way, this made you richer. This made you happier. And that is the lesson, to realize the value of that coin you are holding. But the blockage here is getting past the Seven of Swords energy. So that's why I feel the Three of Pentacles is about the third party, because the Seven of Swords is here, which is the card of deception. Getting past this energy. This could be you, this could be that person or people that's around you that has done this to you. Okay, but I feel, I'm sorry Pisces, but I feel this is you because you're the one who has to realize the value of that coin. I could be wrong. Or not. Well, okay, the gift is the King of Wands. So, the King of Wands is someone na very much, parang may mastery siya of his own. Not parang, may mastery talaga siya of his passion. He's going after what he wants, no matter what the cost. Okay, and he has this, parang, there's that lion, there's that guide, the spirit of the lion guiding him towards his path. So the gift here is that now you are going to pursue whatever it is that you are parang you feel very passionately about. You will make things happen. And I feel right now that is rebuilding the tower. Okay? That is rebuilding the tower. That is getting past the Seven of Swords energy, which is the card of deception. And I feel you are now, in this week, learning your lesson of knowing what that pentacle, that coin, that gold coin you're holding stands for. You are realizing the value of that coin. Okay, Pisces, so that's your reading for this week. I hope this resonates and can help you with your journey. And see you next week. God bless.